Hi, my name is Deanne Waterman, and this presentation is on my visit to Sunrise of Walnut Creek. General information about the facility: they have a total of 86 beds, and they currently have several open rooms, and they're running a move-in special right now. Residents can choose from semi-private rooms with a shared bathroom or private rooms including studio, one-bedroom, or two-bedroom apartments. The facility is located close to two major medical centers. They provide 24-hour nursing care, and they promote aging in place, where they offer multiple levels of care along the long-term care continuum. They provide a full continuum of care, beginning with independent living, assisted living, respite care, skilled nursing, Alzheimer's and memory care, and short-term stay for people who have just had surgery and are needing assistance in recovering, or their caregivers are going to be out of town. They have on-site services for audiology, dental care, eye care, occupational therapy, and physical therapy, or residents can keep their own physicians and schedule appointments for transportation for an additional fee. More pros include weekly housekeeping and laundry. The facility has a community dog, which the residents are encouraged to help care for. However, residents can also bring their own pets and furniture. Care is reviewed quarterly by specialized designated care managers. The daily activities run from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and include 8 signature programs, which tailor daily activities to needs and wants. Typical activities include outings, music, exercise and yoga, food and conversation events, games, discussions, and movie nights. Food staff meet with the residents several times a week to develop menus, and the meals can be enjoyed in private family dining rooms when loved ones come to visit. Through Care Connect, residents can input real-time updates about their needs, including medication reminders and other activities of daily living. In addition to giving regular updates to family and medical providers, help staff keep track of activities that they enjoy and tailor to their stay. Residents can track, manage, and document care and services, including medical appointments. Cons: they are not Medicare or Medicaid certified, and it is pretty expensive. The senior apartments start around $3,750 a month, and that's before they add customized care plans. And it wasn't exactly pristine the day I visited. It could have been cleaner, but it wasn't bad overall. This facility has continual training and education via classroom instruction, online instruction, hands-on training, and employee shadowing and mentoring to ensure that employees are up to date and ensure resident care and safety. This facility maintains several of the Eden alternatives, as mentioned in Life Worth Living by William H. Thomas. First, the Care Center provides garden areas for their residents, which Thomas notes that for nearly every member can point to a link with the earth at some time in their childhood or adult lives. As well, they provide community pets, or residents can bring their own pets. Finally, the facility allows for companion living, which provides a multitude of benefits. Through allowing residents to share apartments, there is a financial benefit to reduced rent rates. The residents are matched based upon backgrounds and interests to ensure compatibility. This can help residents to ease feelings of isolation and depression and helps build confidence and self-worth. Recommendations for this facility include allowing for fish or birds, as not everyone wants a cat or dog. If the residents are allowed to help care for the garden areas, this could help residents feel more useful, as well as providing this method of outlet. As Thomas noted, they could partner with local preschools to help weave the intergenerational program between young and elderly, or they could create after-school programs with the local schools that are within close proximity to the facility. Looking at this facility through a biblical worldview, I chose Ecclesiastes 4:9 through 10. 2 are better than 1 because they have a good return for their labor. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up, but pity anyone who falls and has no one to help them up. Through including more of God's living creatures to help care for our loved ones, plants, animals, and people, we can find ways to keep our loved ones from developing hopelessness, depression, and loneliness.